take this opportunity to thank Uganda Counseling and Support Services because it has done a great work in our communities. I, Madam Gate, I'm a worker in Uganda Counseling and Support Services as a teacher. As a Uganda Counseling has very many life skill programs. I always attend those workshops for agriculture and I acquire that knowledge from there. I bring that knowledge or I transfer that knowledge into my home. That is why I was able to start my garden of banana plantation based on the knowledge I acquired from agriculture workshops. And when you look at my garden, it is a bit different from those of the community because I acquired skills of using local manure from animals. I applied that manure, and my plantation they are giving me good yields if you were to look at them, and I'm proud. These days, I don't buy matoke. Even my welfare is okay. I have acquired very many skills through Uganda Counseling and support services. I'm happy that my children, I have 2 children, but all of them, they own full bursary from Bulike Community Primary School because they give two biological children full bursary to teachers. So I thank Uganda Counseling for that. It is my request that let Uganda Counseling continue bringing those workshops so that it change its people in the community. If you are watching this video, when you are among those who are supporting Uganda Counseling and Support Services, please, I request you to continue. If you are not yet, I will beg you to join your friends and you support Uganda Counseling and Support Services to change the remote communities.